Hey guys, thank you for your patience. I had a bad sinus infection and just needed to have a day to get to the doctor and get some medicine filled. So let's just look at the rest of the week, what we'll be looking at, and we should have quick Google Meets every day in case anybody has questions. Remember, I'm really supposed to take roll every day. So I would have had my Google Meets with you, but that was the exact time of my doctor's appointment, so it didn't work out. So thank you for your patience. Remember, we're in the Water Natural Resources website. So we scroll down to week 3. Today you were supposed to have done the engagement, watch the crash course video, read the article that I had on there, and answered the 4 questions at the bottom of the article. I had some questions about where exactly the article was. So let me show you really quickly. This is the article. Upgrading an Icon is the name of the article. It was from Science World magazine. We talked about this. You hopefully watched a video, and then you pulled these down to read the article, and then you were supposed to do these journal questions down here at the bottom. These little arrows make it open up and close back up. I had people trying to Google the answers today. That is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for answers that came from this article, and if your answers don't come from the article, I'm not going to give you credit for it. So that was yesterday, and let's go back to our website. This was where the journal group discussion, this is what you're supposed to click to open that up to do those questions. And make sure that you have shared that with me, because if I don't get it, I can't grade it. That may be what's happening with some of your work, is that you're not making sure I'm getting it. You need to make sure it's going to the right email address. If in your Google Contacts you don't see this little picture up here of my little Bitmoji, you don't have me. And it should have some basic information about me in there too. So just know, if you're not seeing that, something's wrong with the email address. So Wednesday, we're going to go to the Exploration tab. So that will be this guy right here. You'll click on him, and it will come up like this. So we'll be on this pretty much the rest of the week. If my classes seem like they're getting through it faster, then I might update the actual assignment and put on more for Friday. But as of right now, I'm leaving myself a little bit of leeway, especially since I was out yesterday and I may need to go over some of that. So today we're going to work on our Read It and our concept map. Now, if we go back to the assignment, we'll see there's a concept map doc that you're going to click on to open. That's going to be where you type in your answers. Just quickly reminder, if you do something crazy wrong and something disappears, or if you will immediately do Control Z, you hold down Control and you hit Z at the same time, it will back up what you've done. You can do that a couple of times, and so like if you delete something, Control Z, it should come right back. Okay, so we have opened our Read It. Remember, these open up so you can read about each of the resources. We need to know what is renewable, what is non-renewable. Really pay attention to this stuff. This is going to be the thing that you're going to learn what natural resources are pretty much from this. So we're going to open the one that says concept map, and it looks like this. There's a little bit more help here at the top, and then it's got the classifying assignment 1 with the tree map. It's got assignment 2 describing, and assignment 3. So remember, that's the concept map. You'll click there. You're going to do yours right here. So let's open that and look at it. Put your name in. When you click on once again, it's got about the Control Z stuff. It's a really good trick. Just don't do Control plus Z. Hold Control and hit Z. So you're going to click on the picture, and it's going to come up with the drawing I made, and you're going to click in these text boxes to write, and then save and close when you're done, and it will save it. Part 2, you're going to do, I think, 6 different bubble maps. Maybe it's 8. It tells you how to do that. Part 3, you're going to choose 2 of the energies above. I want you to find Google Images to find pictures of the energy, and then you're going to put them in here. You'll do 2 energies. This one, tell me what energy you're doing. You type here, put your images in here. Type your energy, put your images here. Please remember to share with me. Misty.pike@haraldson.k12.georgia.us. I'm making it even big so you can see it a little bigger. You should see my emoji. If you don't have me, remember. Okay, so that tells us what to do there. Third day. Click off some of this so I don't have so much open. That would be Thursday. We're going to still be in the Exploration tab. Now we're going to work on the Brain Pop. So, click the Brain Pop open. Do you notice right here in the corner, it's got this little thing here, little box? Click on that. And then your Brain Pop is here. A trick. When you try to log in here, it's not going to have your username password already for you. So if you don't remember it, your trick is you always go to Brain Pop on another tab. Then when I want to log in, my computer will remember me. You can either then search for that Brain Pop through here, or you can go back to this side over here and refresh. And now you're logged in. Whichever one you want to do is fine with me. I like to go back over here to the site and just put in natural resources, because then it's on a big screen. And I'm going to show you a little trick that I'm going to show my kids too. If you don't already know this, this is pretty cool. Right up here, in between the minimize and the close button, click that. Drag this Brain Pop out, and then take the side of it and shrink it up some. Then open up this, move it right beside it, and then you've got a side-by-side view, and it's so much easier to find the answers to the Brain Pop if you've got it in a side-by-side view, because you can watch this Brain Pop as many times as you want. Remember, put the closed captioning on. That's also a good trick, because then the words will come across. It'll help you find the answers. Remember, I start the video, the questions at the beginning of the video, and the end will be at the end of the video. And you can just submit that to me, and that day will be done. When you're ready, you can just drag it back in, click that same button right there, it'll make it big again. The cool thing is, once you do this one time, it'll automatically go where you want it to go. So then you can just always drag it out and it's there. It's already going to be in that side-by-side view. So that's a cool little trick for you, in case you ever need that. Okay. So that's really all I have for you to do that day, is to watch that Brain Pop. Just keep in mind that once you turn it in, you're going to get one chance on this. It's not set so that you can edit, and if you make a bad grade, I'm sorry. You take the time that you need to do that Brain Pop. Friday, unfortunately, we have a video that we're going to watch that I can't get you the whole video. There's just no way. So if you come over to this Bill Nye, you'll get about 3 minutes of it. Hopefully. It may be set that when you try to do it, it won't do anything, but like I said, it's only going to give you about 3 minutes of it, and that's all I'm going to be able to get you anyway. So if you can get those 3 minutes, he was really good explaining this one, and I wish I could get it for you for the whole video, but there's nothing I can do. Since Friday is so open, Remember, we need to make sure part 1 and part 2 of your benchmark test is complete. It's super important that we get those done. Besides that, like I said, keep checking back, especially closer to the end of the week, because if we get through a whole bunch very, very fast, then I'm going to keep going and I'll update the Thursday and Friday and change it a little so you'll know what we need. We need more. If you need anything, let me know during our Google Meets tomorrow. Bye.